Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to properly map a network drive. I know that a lot of people, especially with Windows 7, they experience this problem where they map their network drive and then they turn off their computer. They turn their computer on again the next day, and for some reason the network drive doesn't auto reconnect. So what happens is they gotta actually go to the network drive and double click on it to reestablish that connection. As you could see, the green there, for those of you who don't know, means that you are connected and that you have that connection. Some for other users, when they are disconnected, you'll see an X, which indicates that no, you are not connected. Your network share, or sorry, your network drive is not connected. So I'll show you a quick and easy way of always establishing that connection upon login. And these are for users that are not connected to a domain. Uh, you know, home group users, just work group users, users that are working out of a small network. This works hand in hand with those types of users. So let's get started. Enough with the shit talk. I mean, sorry, but yeah, enough with the talk. What we're gonna do is I'll go over to a script file that I have written already, and here it is. So you might want to do what you might want to do is you might want to open up Notepad, and if you see here, this was open in Notepad, and you might want to type this in. Um, Now over here, this is your network path. So you're gonna wanna, or you're gonna have to find out what your network path is, and the drive letter, whatever letter you want to assign to it. So this is up to you, and this you need to know. I mean, wherever that network drive is, you need to know that. So it's basically forward slash the name of your computer forward slash and the drive share name, so which is D in my case, nothing special. So, and that's about it. Once you do that, you save it, and remember this is a script file, a VBScript. So the file extension would be .vbs. So you'd want to save it as name.vbs or whatever name you give it. I gave it map, so the name is map.vbs. Once you're done that, you want to you want to use task scheduler to run this script at login. But the initial idea is to test that this VB script works. So one way of doing that is to actually disconnect your network drive. So I've disconnected it, and you no longer see it. Now I'm going to I'll make these windows smaller so you can see for yourself. Okay, there. So I'll double click on this, and boom, the network drive appears. So it's instantaneous, and that's just the way it's gonna work when you upon login. So now that we know that this script file works, that executing this script actually creates your or maps your network drive, which is this one right here. This drive is what I'm mapping. Now that we know that this works, we can go ahead and open up Task Scheduler and get this script to run every time we log in. That way, no matter what you do, so you shut down, and in the morning when you come in, it should map that drive. So let's go open up Task Scheduler, and we are going to create a new task. Give it a name here, so I'll call it map network drive, and configure for Windows 7. I like to put that. Some people say that they get away with Windows Vista. I put Windows 7. That's what we're using, Windows 7. So yeah, triggers. We can click on New, and we want to begin the task at login and specify the user. So in this case, that's the name of my computer. That's who I want it to be. And we can click OK. Go to Actions, New, and in New, you want to look for the program slash or script. So we're going to look for the script in this case, and here it is. Wherever you saved your script file, and I suggest you save your script file in a safe place. That way nobody that uses your computer can tamper with it, because once you lose it, yeah, you just have to resort back to this video. Anyways, we'll click OK. OK. Conditions, nothing. Settings, nothing. And that's about it. So normally I would click OK to save it, but I'm going to click cancel only because I already have it saved. And it is right over here, map network drive. And if I were to click run, it would obviously run the script, but only because I have it shared already. I have it connected, my network drive. I'm gonna have to disconnect and run this one more time. So if I run right away, so you know it works. So this is exactly what it's gonna do upon login of your computer. It will map that network drive, and you won't have a problem here. This is the best way of mapping your network drive. You will never have to think about losing connection or about turning off your computer and the next day you turn it on and it won't map. This is the way. All these articles where they tell you to modify your registry and do all these sorts of little tricks and tweaks and deleting this and adding this, it's full of crap, man. This is the best way. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and that's about it.